In this video, I will show you how you can use the Freeform app on any iPhone. Now, after you open the app, you will see this interface. Now, if you go back, you will find all these sections. From here, you can find all your boards. In the recent section, you can find the recent boards which you have created. In the shared section, you can find the boards which you have shared with your friends or family. And if you go back, finally, you will find the section for your favorites. Now, I will open all boards. Now from here, you can either open a board which you have created earlier, or you can tap on this icon and you can create a new board. As you can see, we have created a new board. Now if you tap on this icon over here, you will find a few tools. For an example, you can add any of these icons or graphics which are available over here. You can drag them from the corners to increase the size of the icons. And also you can add photos, graphics, backgrounds, and shapes to your artboard. Just like that. After that, you have the option for mark. From here, you can draw anything using the marking tools. And once you're done marking, just tap on done. Now after that, you have the option to create a text box. From here, you can type anything into the text box. Just double tap in the text box and you can write anything in the text box. Now if you want to attach a photo, a file, or anything with your artboard, just tap on the pin icon over here. Then you can either choose a file from the Files app to attach it over here. You can choose a sticker, you can create an image, you can use an image which you have created using Playground, or you can take a photo or video and you can attach it over here. You can choose a photo or video from the Photos app, just like that. Just select the photos and videos which you want to attach and you can add them over here. And after that, you have the option to add a table. Now if you want to add more rows, you can tap on the plus icon over here. And if you want to add more columns, you can do it from here. Now you can resize the table as you like. Now after that, if you want to add a sticky note, you can do it just like that. Just tap on the sticky note icon. You can increase the size of your sticky note. Let's double tap on the sticky note to add a note. Now if you want to undo an action, for example, drag the sticky note over here. And if you want to undo an action, just tap on the arrow icon over here and you will be able to undo an action. Now after that, if you tap on the three dots over here, you can rename the file. You can add the file to your favorite and you can export the file as a PDF and much more. Now if you want to share this file with a friend or family member, just tap on the share button over here and you can either select send as a copy or you can select the collaborate option. Then you select the person with which you want to share it, then tap on send. And by doing this, you will be able to collaborate this note with another person. And this is how you can use the Freeform app on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.